Hey everyone, Victoria here, CEO and founder of Credit Fix Solutions. And I just wanted to raise a couple of really important points. At the moment, due to interest rate rises and the cost of living, we are seeing a lot more consumers affected by missing payments, or secondly, too many inquiries in some sort of desperate attempt to go and seek finance that's needed straight away. Just be mindful, if you're a finance broker, to make sure that you're educating your clients on the impact that inquiring too much can have on their credit report. It can drastically reduce their credit scores, and also with missing payments, the impact that that's going to have. A missed payment this month, for example, is going to impact a consumer for the next 23 months until it drops off the file. For consumers as well, please make sure that you're reaching out for your free education and any credit report assessments. Good luck and best wishes to everyone out there. I know a lot of people are doing it tough, but we are here to help as much as we can, so please get in touch. Thanks for listening.